What do you say? Hi, my name is Kate. And what is your name? Yeah. Your name is Cooper. And how old are you, Cooper? Do you want a drink? Whoa. Hi, everyone. So we are going to do a video for you and show you Cooper's language at age 12. Because it's pretty amazing, isn't it? Oh. Bone dry. Okay. So we have... How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Should we do it? Okay, so we like to say words. So did you know that when you were 4, they told me you were never going to talk? Isn't that crazy? Yeah, because you are so good at it. What's wrong? Oh, is it wet? Did we spill some water? We made a big mess, didn't we? Okay, so first word. Can I hold your hand? First word. Mom. Is that my favorite word? Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. Okay, do you want me to cross off? Okay. Ready? Now, who's that other guy that we sort of like? Dad! So ready? D. Yeah. So someone said, I've been trying to get you to touch the roof of your mouth, but someone said you should touch your teeth. Can you touch your teeth like this? Can you go like this? We're working on that D sound. Okay. What is your brother's name? What's Sawyer's name? How do you say Sawyer? Can I help you? There's no M in Sawyer. Are you ready? Listen. You do it. You do it. Okay, ready? Let's do it together. Watch mommy. Are you ready? We try. Okay, let's do this now. Okay, ready? Try again. Okay, I guess, you know what? I'll be going on that Amtrak train all by myself. Up in the mountains. Ready to do it? Should we do our words? Okay. So put it together. No M. Dude. Okay, then you have another brother. Harper! And do you want Harper to go on the train with us? He wants Harper to go on the train ride. And you have a sister. So are you saying, let me ask you a question. Are you saying sister or Winnie? So Winnie is the wah-wah. Wah-wah. Put it together. Winnie. Okay, now we're going to do some fun words. School. You got to pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Do you want me to help? Ooh. What? There's no P in school. There's no P. Okay, try again. School. I'll wait. Good job. High five. Okay, bus. This is my favorite one, so do it perfect because I love this one. Bus. Say it again. Say it again. Do it again. Do it loud. Bus. Love you. You're so smart, aren't you? Okay. How about up? Up. Mm-hmm. How about nose? No. We gotta put an S in there. So listen with your ears. Ready? Where's your ears? Where's your ears? Let's listen. Nose. No. Nose. So how about Snow.
How
about swim? In your... Oh, okay, let's do 2 words. We want to swim. Say swim. Yep. In the pool. Are you so good? Okay. How about apple? Let's go eat an apple. Oh, we're going to eat 3 apples, 4 apples, 5 apples, 6 apples. Okay. How about cookie? Can you say cookie? Do you want a kiss? Is that what you're asking me for? I don't know what we're doing here. What are we doing here? Some sort of abstract. Okay. Well, cookie. Cookie. Very nice. How about puppy? Can you say puppy? Yeah. Do you want a puppy? Yes or no? Mm-hmm. Okay. How about... Whoa! How about happy? I will wait. Mommy will wait till you're done. Can I help you? Listen. Ha, a, pa, e. You can do it. Ha, a. Happy. I will wait till you're ready. We say happy, please. Happy. Good job. How about ball? Ball. That was so good. How about Dora? No? Oh, okay. We shall not say Dora. How about boots? Boots. So it's a long ooh. Ready? Listen. Boots. That's so good. What kind of animal is Boots? What kind of animal is he? What sound does he make? Is he a monkey? Yeah, you do it. You're funny. That doesn't count. Okay, time out. Show me happy. Show me sad. Show me sad. Show me sad. Show me angry. Show me excited. Okay, 5 more. Boat. Boat. How about more? Ooh. How about help? That's a sneeze. Excuse me. You have 3 more. 3 more. I'm gonna add more. right now. Dear. Okay, say help. Say, okay, well, we're almost done. Can you say Thomas? Mm-hmm. Can you say map? Dora follows the map on an adventure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're all done. So let's say map. Good job. Let's say Pam. Can you say Pam? Yep, and then we're all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all done. Pam. Put it together. That was so good. How about I love you? Oh. I love you too. How about me? Yeah. How about no? No. 2 more. Can you say no? No. Say it louder. Say no. No. Show me angry. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Is that what the giant does? How about one more word? What's our favorite word in the whole world? How about, can you say Santa? Can you say Santa? That's the chimney. Can I help you say Santa?
Oh.
Let's do it one more time and then we're all done. We're going to do it one more time and then all done. Ready? Santa. Cooper, that was so good. Okay, so let's say, what's one thing that we want to do next week? You want to ride the Amtrak?
Yeah.
Choo-choo! So we're going on the Amtrak. If anyone knows me with the Amtrak, we're going. How long of a ride? A long ride or a little ride? So little or big? You pick. Big? How many sleeps? You want to go on your first train ride for 3 sleeps? I'll put you on there. I'll put a little note. I'll write Cooper. I'll put Cooper right here. Should I do it? Should I do it?
Yeah.
You won't let me do it. And then I'll send you on the Amtrak.
Oh.
I'll miss you. Oh my gosh, you were my favorite. I love you so much, but I'm going to miss you forever. Bye. You say bye? I'm just kidding. Oh, how about say whale? How do you say whale? Wah, wah, wah. Do you want to be all done?
Yeah.
Can you say bye? Thank you. How do you say thank you? You're a very nice boy, aren't you? Are you the best? Mm-hmm. I love you. You just gonna hang out? So Cooper has autism and apraxia, and he works harder than any person I've ever met to communicate. He uses a speech device. Can use type. He can spell. He says some words. He does some sign. He's amazing, aren't you? You make me really happy. You make me feel happy. Yeah? Yeah? Dora! I thought we were mad at her. Boots. Follow along. Stick with us. I'm going to try and do a video over here at least once a week. When Cooper was 3 and 4, I will do it, yep. And I was told that he would most likely never speak. I remember I spent so much time Googling and looking for videos of kids that were older who were non-speaking. And I'm pretty sure if you watch this, he brings you joy. And I want to provide you comfort in knowing that it's going to be okay. Right? Are we happy? Yes. Okay. So Cooper would like to go on a trip, and he wants to go over the icy river, the snowy mountain, to the South Pole with the penguins. We're going to go on his 18th birthday. And then he wants to put on this is the hard part, really. He wants to wear these snowsuits and go in a plane where you fly outside of the plane. And he wants to buckle his seatbelt. Are we going to go together, me and you? We are. We're going to go. When Cooper turns 18, we're flying to the South Pole. We're going to go see the whales. I'll show him. He wants to go on go. He wants to go on a boat. Fix it. We fix it. A boat. Can I show him? He wants to go on a boat, and he wants to see the whales. What do the whales say? What do they say? You say it. We're going to go whale watching. At 18. Okay, bye everyone. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.